A lot of patients that I see get referred to me for a heart murmur. Hi, this is Dr. Ashish Gupta and I'm at Biltmore Cardiology. You may have a heart murmur and actually not have any symptoms. Furthermore, a heart murmur can come and go. How do we determine if your heart murmur is clinically significant? We do a test called an echocardiogram. An echocardiogram is an ultrasound of the heart. If you've been told you have a heart murmur, please schedule an appointment with me so that we may further evaluate it.